Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see several ways to how to check hardware in Linux. Chapter 1. How to check hardware Linux with Uname. To start, you are going to open the terminal in Linux. Once you open it, you will execute the command on the screen of Uname to see the kernel of the system you use. If you want to see the name of the host, you are going to add the parameter -n to the previous command as you see it on the screen. Another option to use is to have access to the name of the kernel version. For this, you must use the initial command together with the -v parameter. Now, if you want to see information about the last kernel update, you will use the initial command together with the -air parameter. In case it is necessary to see the system architecture used, you will use the -m parameter. Additionally, if you see all of the above in a single command, you are going to enter what Solvetic executes on the screen. Chapter 2. How to check hardware Linux CPU. Open the terminal on your Linux system. There you will use the screen command to access CPU details taken from the /proc/cpu info file. Chapter 3. How to check hardware Linux lock devices. To start, open the terminal on your Linux system. Run the command you see on the screen. An option to use the add -a parameter to view the devices in bulk. Chapter 4. How to check hardware Linux hardware. To begin, you will open the terminal. There you will execute the command you see on the screen. You will have full access to system components. In case you want to see a summary of this information, you are going to use the previous command together with the parameter -short. As an extra point, if you want to have this information in HTML format, you will execute the command on the screen. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. You can go to the path where this file is hosted, and by double-clicking on it, you will see all these details in the default browser. Chapter 5. How to check hardware Linux USB. To begin, we open the terminal. You are going to execute the command on the screen. You will see details of the USB media in the system. Now, if the objective is to see more complete details to the previous command, add the option -V. Chapter 6: How to check hardware Linux HDPARM. To begin, you will open the terminal. You are going to execute the command on the screen as administrator and indicating the path of the disk. If you want to see technical information such as the geometry of the disk, you are going to add the -G parameter. Chapter 7: How to check hardware Linux PCI. You are going to enter the command that Solvetic executes in the console to see all the PCI ports of Linux. It is possible that these results are visible in a tree format. For this, you must use the -T parameter. Now, if the task is to see complete details, you must use the command described next to the -V parameter. Chapter 8: How to check hardware Linux SCSI. The first step will be to open the terminal. You are going to run the command on screen to install the utility. Once the utility is installed, you will execute the command on the screen to see details of the SCSI disks in Linux. You can use the -ES parameter to access the size of the local disks. Chapter 9: How to check hardware Linux with dmidecode. You are going to open the terminal in Linux. Run the on-screen command to access the various scan options. There you can change the target as needed. Chapter 10: How to check hardware Linux with FDisk. To begin, you will open the terminal. Run the command as administrator to get access to full disk details on Linux. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.